If you're looking to tidy up your workshop and keep airborne dust under control, this is the Lumberjack Pro Series 1500 watt dust collector. And it's packed with features that you wouldn't normally see at this price point. It's powered by a 1500 watt motor, delivering 2,500 cubic meters per hour of airflow. And that's more than enough for everything from fine dust to heavy chippings. The dust collector comes with a large 125mm inlet and a twin 100mm adapter, which means you can connect two machines to this one dust extractor without having to run any ductwork. Ideal if you've got multiple tools running in a small space. Despite its power, it runs relatively quietly, especially for a dust collector of this size, making it much more workshop friendly, especially if you're working in a home setup like mine. It features robust filtration down to 5 microns as standard, but it comes with this additional cartridge filter that drops it right down to 1 micron, which is perfect for finer particles like MDF dust. You've got a generous 205 litre clear plastic collection bag, so you're not going to have to be emptying this every 5 minutes. It's all mounted on a set of casters, which means it's very easy to move it anywhere around your workshop. As you can probably tell though, I don't usually keep this in my tiny workshop. Now I've usually got this set up in the adjoining shed through this wall. If you're interested in seeing how I'm going to be setting this machine up, head over to my channel Renovation Dan, where there's lots more videos of me putting various lumberjack tools through their paces. One really handy feature is this manual cleaning handle for the filter canister. A few quick turns loosens any of the fine dust that's on the pleats, meaning you're going to keep better suction without having to dismantle anything. This Pro Series machine is perfectly suited for a professional workshop setup, with plenty of power and filtration. If you're after a reliable, high capacity dust extractor that's powerful and still compact enough for a smaller workshop, then this one is definitely worth a look. If you want to see more about this machine or to purchase one, there'll be a link in the description down below, and if you've got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments. If you want to see more of my videos, head over to the Renovation Dan channel. If you found this video useful, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the Lumberjack YouTube channel for more helpful tool guides.